Hello everyone, welcome back to yet another episode. Today I have come with a recipe. It's a really easy and tasty recipe, pepper chicken. A lot of you might have tried already, but this is a little difference. I'm adding one more tasty factor just to get that tomato taste. I hope you all love this. Please do try this and enjoy. I have added all the ingredients list at the first. You can keep all the ingredients ready and let's try. This is just a time taking for marination, that's it. After that, no time. It's so easy. When a guest is waiting at home, you can make it when you have the chicken already. I would suggest use an earthenware. Marinate chicken with pepper. You can use both powder and crushed garlic. More garlic we need, less ginger. Then little bit of salt and turmeric. You can add up in like 1-2 set of curry leaves as well. Use your hand to mix and marinate and keep it for 1 to 2 hours. What works best with pepper chicken is, if you like, you can actually add a little bit of Kashmiri chili powder if you feel that color should come, but I would suggest not to add because ideally the pepper and garlic gives the taste. Marination needs to be minimum 1 to 2 hours for exactly getting that rich taste. So make sure the marination is on time. So what we are going to do next is marinate chicken alone. Either you can keep it in a pressure cooker and boil it, or you can normally use a kadai, 1 glass or half glass of water you can add, close it, cover it completely and cook it. You can actually cook 80 to 90 percentage of chicken. Then later what we are going to do, we have to sort some masalas. This is just to give that tangy flavor, so that we will do at the end. Like now the chicken is cooked. I have actually used a kadai and you cooked it. Now next is the sorting. Enough pan. We need to add tomato, pepper, crushed ginger. Actually this stage, if you like, you can add ginger, otherwise you can skip it. Only garlic can be added, and more curry leaves. Sort it, then mix it with the cooked chicken. So actually you have to make sure the tomato is completely mashy, then only you mix it with chicken. So those 10% of chicken can be cooked after mixing. Mix the sorted mixture with chicken, little bit of, and always make sure you use coconut oil and cover it with a lid. It's just that 10% should be cooked with proper steaming effect, and the masalas and everything should combine it properly. You can use a ladle and combine it. Add curry leaves. If you feel less pepper or something, just sprinkle pepper powder. This would be one of the best recipes we ever tried. Keep try this at home and enjoy a very exotic chicken taste. Thanks for watching. If you like this, don't forget to hit subscribe and like button. Thank you. We definitely soon see in another video.